I'm in the kitchen now, and I've just poured boiling water into this pan right here. And I had Megan's hair up in a pony. So she's got a little bit of a crimp up there, and it's partially dry. But this underside hair is just a little rough. So I'm just going to dip her hair in like this. And some people go face first, but I don't know. I don't like to do that. I like to keep the water off the face. It's just a personal preference. And then, of course, without saying, this is going to be hot when it comes out. I'm going to move my video here so you can maybe see a little better. And her hair is combed out, so I'm just going to take this and go through. You know, we don't have to do that delicate bit from the tip to the root like we did when we were originally combing out. But let's see what we've got here with the back. And just kind of pull that straight. So you are putting a little tension on there. Now, what does this actually do, the boiling water? I don't know if anyone's explained it. I'm not a chemist, but I'm thinking what's happening is that it's heating this hair almost to the point of melting and smoothing it down. And I'm just going to touch it here with my fingers and see. And it does feel better, but it's still a little rough right in there. So let's try this again. Give her another dunk. Just let that sit for a minute. And out we go. Come back over here. And see. Whoops, we're stuck. Okay, so something came out there. We'll go back to this roller comb. Yeah, and when you get resistance like I just did there, don't pull it. Switch tools, okay? Okay, that looks a lot better. All right, and then I'm going to take and comb this down flat. Then I'm trying to do this here and not burn my arm. And still get it on video here. I'm going to just slide over here a bit. All right, there we go. And then just comb this hair down. And let her air dry, and I'll just set it in there on the table with the other girls. And hopefully tomorrow we'll have some pretty hair to style.